Biodiversity. Question 1. Match the following statements with suitable options. 1. Alpha diversity, I. It is the species diversity between two adjacent ecosystems and is obtained by comparing the number of species unique to each of the ecosystems. 2. Gamma diversity, 2. It is measured by counting the number of taksha, usually species, within a particular area, community or ecosystem. 3. Beta diversity, 3. It refers to the diversity of the habitats over the total landscape or geographical area. Choose the correct option. A. 1I or 2 or 3. B. 1 2 or 2I or 3. C. 1 2 2 3I. D. 1 3 2I 3. Question 2. Consider the following statements. 1. Inbreeding within a population can decrease individual variability. 2. Low genetic variation depresses resistance to diseases. 3. Genetic diversity occurs only between species and not within species. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. With reference to species diversity, consider the following statements. 1. Species diversity of 0 means there is only one species present. 2. Species diversity usually decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. 3. Temperate regions, as an exception, harbor more species due to its climate than polar, tropical and equatorial region. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 4. The species selected to act as an ambassador, icon or symbol for a defined habitat, issue, campaign or environmental cause, and by focusing on them, their habitat and other species which share the same habitat can also be conserved. Above statement represents which of the following? A. Umbrella species. B. Iconic species. C. Flagship species. D. Guilds. Question 5. Consider the following statements. 1. Keystone species perform a check and balance over the population of other species in an ecosystem. 2. Keystone species are also called ecosystem engineers. 3. Keystone species have high functional redundancy. Which of the above statement is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements. 1. Foundation species are dominant consumer in an ecosystem. 2. The term foundation species is used for a species with a strong role of restructuring a community. 3. Foundation species can occupy any trophic level. Which of the above statement are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 7. The Indian region is composed of 2 realms. Which of the following realms are not part of Indian region? 1. Palai-Arctic realm. 2. Neotropical realm. 3. Indomalayan realm. 4. Australian realm. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 4. C. 1 and 3. D. 3 and 4. Question 8. Consider the following statements with reference to biogeographic zone. 1. Of the 10 biogeographic regions of India, Gangetic Plain account for second largest in terms of percentage of total geographical area after Deccan Plateau. 2. Andaman and Nicobar Island shows high endemism in terms of flora and fauna. 3. Wildlife Institute of India, WI, outlined a scheme to divide India into different biogeographic zones in 1988? Choose the correct option. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. Consider the following statements. 1. Acclimatization is the process in which an individual organism adjusts to changes in its environment. 2. Acclimatization takes a long period of time and takes generations to make genetic adjustments. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Human activity along with natural cycles over the past few centuries has led to the extinction of several hundred species. In that reference, consider the following species. 1. Steller's sea cow. 2. Quagga. 3. Caspian tiger. 4. Sloth bear. 5. Thylacine. 6. Bali tiger. 7. Himalayan quail. Which of the above species are extinct? A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 only. B. 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7 only. C. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding biodiversity spots. 1. Biodiversity hope spots are the world's last refuges where high numbers of threatened species still persist. 2. Biodiversity cool spots is an area of an ocean that needs special protection because of its wildlife and significant underwater habitats. 3. India doesn't host any hope spots or cool spots. Choose the correct statement. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 12. Consider the following statements with reference to protected areas under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 1. Both central as well as state government can declare an area as national park or wildlife sanctuary. 2. Legislation must be passed with a simple majority to alter boundary of a national park or wildlife sanctuary. 3. National Board for Wildlife makes recommendations on setting up and management of protected area. Which of the following statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 13. With reference to National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, consider the following statements. 1. Grazing activity is not permitted in National Park. 2. Wildlife sanctuary is formed for particular species whereas National Park may or may not be for particular species. 3. National Park can be downgraded to Wildlife Sanctuary. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.